Hello, Paul. Here is your solid 539S sitting on my flathead motor. Looking pretty good there. Everything's looking fine. I tried to reuse as many of the brass caps as I could, but the ones where there are flats, like right here as well, they would just crack the gasket. So I put in the standard ones there. All right, well, let's take a look-see down inside. She's nice and dry after all this testing. Let's go ahead and fire it up. All right, I guess my timing's good. And if you look down inside, you can see there's no dripping. That means the float is right. All right, let's look at some numbers. All right, this is a 539. It's supposed to idle at 600. Well, by golly, there's 600. Looking good. Fuel pressure. Oh, about 2.75. About where it should be. Vacuum, look at that, almost 24. 23 and a half on that vacuum. Beautiful. And there's my dwell at 42. All right, let's pull it through a couple times. Yes, sir. I think you're going to be happy with this one. All right, coming up shortly, your other one.